Hi besties, today I have a little bit different video for you. I'm gonna take you shopping with me to Home Bargains to test my theory that you can have a high-end luxury packaging even if you are offering products at, let's say, reasonable price. So basically what we're gonna test is if the luxury packaging is reserved only for high ticket luxury products, or is it possible to have a high quality packaging even when your product is at the bargain price? So let's go shopping. And just at the entrance, I think we found our first product. Is the Serenity Collection Bubble Bath, and this is a glass packaging with a nice vintage looking stopper. The stickers on some of them are a little bit crooked, so that's not ideal, but even the scent sounds a little bit luxury. It's coffee, whiskey, and vanilla cream. They're all sealed, so I don't know how they actually smell, but in theory, they should be nice. And for $3.99, come on, it's a bargain. I'm on my second aisle and still accept the bubble bath, no luxury looking packaging at all. But what I've noticed, many dupes. Here we have Dizzy Panda, which is an obvious dupe for Drunk Elephant. We have the same packaging aesthetic, and even the name is a little bit too close to Comfort in my opinion, but I guess it's still legal. And there's also a whole wall of dupes of Sol de Janeiro. The colors, the packaging, the scents, everything is very similar to the original brand, but obviously for the fraction of the price. And I'm not gonna talk about the quality of the actual creams, serums, moisturizers, whatever product we have inside the packaging. That could be another story. Today we are just focusing on the packaging. I think we found our second luxury looking product, and this is this matte soft touch plastic body mist that comes in few different colors, aka scents. I think it looks really cool. The price is also really good, $3.99 for the product in that packaging. Yes please. I think it's very clean, minimalistic, it has this pop of color. Yes, I'm definitely all up for that. Just the blue one reminds me a little bit of Laneige product. I don't know if it's coincidental or not, but still I think the body mist is a yes from me. And finally we have a proper luxury in the house. Those Aura face serums are in the glass bottles with the glass droppers, and you know the glass packaging is not the cheapest. It is really at the moment, at the current trends, when we have vibrant colors, contrasting font, and it stands out on the shelf. We have a little bit more high-end products with similar branding, but I wouldn't say it's an exact dupe like we had with Drunk Elephant and Sol de Janeiro. I like that they went for a square top on body lotion. Aura definitely looks really good, and additional point for a glance. Next up, I found this Lip Duo Mask and Scrub. I wouldn't say it's screaming luxury, but it's definitely an interesting packaging. So you have a lip product in the packaging that looks like a lips, and in half of it you have a lip mask and half of it is a lip scrub, and that's end of the beauty aisle. I'm a little bit disappointed with what we could find because most of it was really cheap generic packaging. Now we are at the candles, and we have a dupe for Yankee candles. They are in glass like the original ones, but they are only $2.99. It shows that you can have a luxury packaging for a fraction of the luxury product price, and there are plenty of shelves of like a whole year scents when we have fresh linen, vanilla, cakes, and whatever you can imagine. And speaking of candles, I think they are really well prepared. I found this whole shelves of candles with the wood lid, and the prices are still really good. $1.99 for a small candle, up to 6. And I think this oval one, especially with those type of wicks, it looks really luxury. As long as no one will read the label, they try to imitate luxury product, but in my opinion, this label design is not screaming luxury, but it's so easy to remove, and you have this clean glass double wick candle. I'm definitely up for that. So judging based on Homburging's offer, I would say that luxury packaging is still reserved for luxury brands, but there are some exceptions. So if you're gonna try hard enough, you're gonna have a good creative idea, you can deliver a luxury for a reasonably priced product.